How to add highlights on Instagram is the topic for today. And yes, if you have already added a story on your Instagram, and if you don't know how to add a story on Instagram already, then click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll get into the video to add stories on Instagram. But in this video, I'll teach you how to add highlights. So yes, definitely first go into your Instagram, and when you have already posted a story, you will have this red colorful circle on your profile. So simply click on your story, and at the bottom you will see number of options like share to Facebook, highlight, and more. So like click on this highlight option, and you may create a new highlight, and you may write the title for your highlight. So it is something like heartbreak, so maybe I'll type an emoji for it, like what is heartbreak emoji. Okay, haha. Now you click on add, view on profile, and yes, you have your highlight right here. And now the people who stalk you or who want to see your highlights, then they simply go into your profile and they click on your highlights, and they will be able to see your highlights. Similarly, you can also click on the plus icon right on your profile, and you will have your stories from the past that you had posted and you were not able to save the highlight. So you will simply click on the respective photo or story and click on next, and again you can write the highlight name. So it was something related to food, so I'll write as FOOD, foodie me. Oh wow, very bad. Now you click on done, and yes, you have two of your highlights created. So you may create the number of highlights. For example, this beautiful girl, I don't know, she has number of highlights like this. So this was how you add highlights on Instagram. I hope you learned and enjoyed. Thank you.